the can shaker. There she is running. It's got a stroke there, 65 millimeters, and you can hear it rattling that can. There we are, sorted. Running off of my homemade power supply, which is down there. That's got a forward reverse on it. So there we are. How about that then? First time running a tree. I think it was a 500 RPM motor. I've used just there a draw slide. That's a draw slide. All I have to do is make the cam, and the older can is a bit of guttering. Cut that down, popped a couple of pole bolts into it, and there we are. You can see it's working nice. So there are no shaking that can anymore. You can hear that that's really going inside. Oh, safe breaking the arm, doesn't it? This is Dave signing off. Catch you all on the flip side. Bye, buys. Oh, don't forget don't forget, do the bits at the bottom. Subscribe. And we'll catch you all on the flip side. Bye, whoosh, we're gone.